I think BOJ will be very reluctant to move, and yeah, you're quite right. Great GDP numbers overnight, but a bit of a one-off. Look, Japanese earnings have been good. Japanese earnings have outperformed other markets, so and it's a relatively cheap value market. So I think Japanese equities can continue to perform pretty well,
even if the yen continues to strengthen.
Well, if the yen, if we're in a severe risk-off environment and we have the yen strength we've seen, then clearly they'll short run Japanese market will not perform. But no, I think again I go back to tightening an environment of strong global growth the market can deal with. It's tightening because inflation's got out of control. The market hates.
But Alan, we've spoken to so many fund managers in the last week who now started to look at the Japanese stock market just as it started to fall. And if you look at the course from about June this year till the start of this month, it was pretty much sideways. And now this fairly decent drop that's transpired, which some are putting down to the geopolitics in the background. Is there a risk that Japan becomes somewhat of a bear trap for investors, a bit of a go-nowhere market, and possible prone to another dip that we saw really around May that went through till about April?
Could be. We would argue that value comes out. So it's a value market, and interesting. This is your week of robotics, right? An awful lot of robotics companies. So it's not just deep value Japanese banks, but there's an awful lot of robotics and ingenuity embedded into the Japanese equity market, and so we've been long Japan for a long while, and so we're sticking with that.